Hello, I am Noruki Prop, registration number Z5108-22. And in this video, I'm going to take you through my 3-day industrial trip to Kisumu. The industrial trip organized by the Moi University Technology Education Department was aimed at exposing us to real-world industrial processes, management systems, and above all, the mechanical applications that keep industries running. During the visit, we toured three major companies that is Jumbo Steel Mills Company, Farms Engineering Industries Limited, and Skylar Construction Company Limited. Each of these firms represents a different phase of industry in Western Kenya, and together they gave us a deep understanding of how machines, engineering, and technology combine to drive production and development. On the first day, we toured Jumbo Steel Mills Company, which was established in the year 2000s as a part of an initiative to boost local manufacturing in Western Kenya. Despite the name, the company has diversified and now focuses on manufacturing of PVC water tanks and mattresses, two products that heavily depend on mechanical systems for mass production. In the tank line, high density polyethylene and HDPE is the main raw materials. The process begins with rotational molding machines, large mechanical units that rotate molds on several axes while heating them so that molten plastic spreads evenly along the inner walls. Once cooled, the tanks are removed from the molds and undergo mechanical strength and leak tests to ensure they meet quality standards. In the mattress line, machines coil steel springs with exact tension, while foam cutters slice polyurethane blocks into uniform shapes. Stitching machines then assembled the fabric, foam, and spring units into finished mattresses. What stood out mechanically was the smooth flow of production. The layout separates raw material storage, molding, cutting, assembly, and quality testing. Before ending in a storage yards and warehouse, a maintenance section supports machine servicing, while ventilation systems, fire extinguishers, and economic workflow keep workers safe. Jumbo Steel Mills demonstrated to us the importance of semi-automation, preventive maintenance, and a factory design that promotes efficiency and worker safety. The second day, we visited Farm Engineering Industries Limited (FAIL), which was established in the year 1978 in Kisumu as a specialist engineering and fabrication company. Unlike Jumbo, FAIL focuses on fabricating tanks for lorries lorries and trucks. And here, the mechanical content was very clear. Large steel plates are the main raw materials, and the process begins with rolling machines that carve flat sheets into cylindrical forms. Bending machines then shape the steel to the required angles, while drilling machines prepare holes for fittings and reinforcements. Lathes are used to turn shafts and cylindrical parts to exact tolerances, and CNC machines carry out precise cutting and shaping for components that required accuracy. The final stages involved skilled welding, where the carved steel sections are joined together to form durable truck and lorry tanks. Each step is carefully inspected to ensure structural integrity, since these tanks must withstand pressure, vibration, and long hours of use on the road. The factory layout reflects the mechanical flow of work, starting with raw materials preparation, moving into rolling, bending, machining, welding, and finally inspection and finishing. Preventive maintenance is carried out regularly on machines to avoid breakdowns, and safety systems such as welding masks, gloves, and fume extractors ensure that workers operate in safe conditions. For me, as a mechanical student, this visit highlighted highlighted real-world applications of machines we often study in class: rolling machines, lathe machine, drilling machines, CNC units, and welding equipment working together to create high-quality industrial products. During that day, we visited Skylark Construction Company Limited, which was established in the year 1992 and has grown into one of Kenya's leading construction and manufacturing firms. Skylark is well known for construction projects ranging from roads to industrial plants, but it also engages in manufacturing, particularly of PVC pipes. From the mechanical side, two areas stood out. The first is construction machinery. Skylark relies heavily on equipment such as cranes for lifting, concrete mixers for material preparation, excavators for earthworks, and asphalt pavers for road construction. Each of these machines demonstrates the principle of applied mechanics, using energy, motion, and force to complete tasks efficiently on a large scale. The second is their PVC pipe production line. E-extrusion machines melt and push raw plastic material through a die to form continuous pipes. The hot pipes then pass through cooling tanks and cutting stations where they are shaped into the required length and diameters. This process is semi-automated, but it still requires human oversight to ensure quality and precision. Skylark also has workshops for steel fabrication where beams and trusses are cut and welded for industrial installations such as tea factories and sugar mills. In addition, the company maintains a fleet of construction vehicles and machinery supported by in-house mechanical workshops for servicing and repair. Mechanically, Skylark impressed us by combining heavy construction machinery, steel fabrication, and plastic extrusion technology all within a single company framework. Across all these three firms, several mechanical teams were consistent. Machines of all kinds, whether rotational, molding units, spring coiling machines, rolling and bending machines, CNC tools, lathe, welding equipment, or heavy construction machinery, formed the backbone of production. Preventive maintenance was emphasized everywhere, showing us that industries cannot rely on machines alone without proper care and servicing. Occupational safety and health were also strongly integrated with protective equipment, ventilation systems, fire extinguishers, and regular drills, ensuring that workers remain safe around powerful machines. Another important pattern was the growing use of ICT alongside mechanical systems. CAD software was used for design, sensors monitored machines' performance, digital systems tracked inventory, and scheduling software optimized workflows. This blending of digital and mechanical technologies demonstrates how industries in Kenya are aligning with global trends towards efficiency, precision, and sustainability. The 3-day industrial trip to Kisumu gave us virtual exposure to the mechanical side of manufacturing, fabrication, and construction. Jumbo steel mills established in the early 2000s showed us how semi-automation and factory design support consumer goods and goods production. Farm Engineering Industries Limited revealed the role of heavy machines such as rollers, benders, lathes, and welders in fabricating tanks for transport. Skylark Construction Company Limited, established in 1992, illustrated how heavy construction equipment and extrusion technology for PVC pipes work hand in hand to deliver both infrastructure and industrial products. Together, these industries demonstrated that mechanical engineering is at core of Kenya's industrial growth. By combining machines, skilled human labor, and digital tools, they are not only creating products and infrastructure but also driving economic development, creating jobs, and contributing to the country's long-term sustainability. As a student of technology education, this trip was more than just a visit. It was a bridge between classroom knowledge and real-world industrial practices. A reminder that the machines we study in the theory are the very ones shaping industries in Kenya today. Thank you.